Do you know in Kali latest version you can switch back to the backtrack mode? Now how to do it? It is really simple. You just need to log in into your Kali machine, and after that you just need to open the menu, and here you just need to search for backtrack mode. So just click on it. It will take few seconds, and now you are in backtrack mode. So the interface is totally changed. You can open the terminal from here, so you can see the font and the terminal, the theme, each and everything is a kind of fun. So if I type who am I and su, so there is a lot of commands that you can execute, and I think this is pretty nice. Now this is how you can basically switch from Kali to backtrack mode. Now the thing is how we can switch back to the Kali. So you just need to click here again in the application section. You just need to click on run program, and after that you just need to basically search backtrack again. Okay, you will find it here. Just click on it, and once you're done, you just need to click on launch, and now you are switched back to the normal version. So if you are interested in ethical hacking, cybersecurity, and penetration testing, just make sure to visit our official website, MasaudSec.com. We are teaching cybersecurity, ethical hacking, and penetration testing. So